Kuna kitu naongeza? Naongeza tu space kwa tumbo.
Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine and still keeping safe. If it's the first time you're meeting me, karibu sana, and my sister is Angie. For those who are coming back to watch our today's video, karibuni pia. And so guys, as you can see, I'm not in my normal kitchen today, but in my friend's home and kitchen as well, where we have come to prepare for them their favorite meal, which is beef stew. And so guys, without wasting time, allow me at this point to welcome to my two friends so that you can see them and so that they can also say hi to you. So guys, here are my friends.
Hello folks, my name is Eric and is my friend. Kindly like and subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Thank you. Hey guys, my name is Jackie. Angie is my friend. Today we'll be preparing beef stew. Karibuni sana. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.
Thank you so much. And so let's go on to the next couple. And so guys, I have another couple of friends over here. I also want them to say hi to you. Then we continue.
Hey guys, my name is Harriet. Kindly subscribe to our channel.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, I'm Peter. Kindly subscribe to her channel.
Thank you so much. And so guys, allow me at this point to introduce to you our today's ingredients that you're going to be preparing our special beef stew. In ile beef stew yenyewe ukijua na marafiki ama wageni mahali wanakuja, that's what we get to prepare to them. Si ile beef stew ya kawaida yenye tunapikanga pale home. So, come with me and introduce to you our today's ingredients. In this bowl, I have 2 glasses of peas, also known as minji. They have been boiled. In this other bowl, I have 4 tomatoes, ripe ones, that I've sliced over here. In this other small bowl, I have 6 potatoes that I've sliced well. In this plate, I have my carrots, onions, and capsicum. For the carrots, I have 5 sliced carrots over here. These are 5 ones. For the onions, the red onions, there are 3 onions, also known as the vitunguu maji. For the capsicum, I have 2 medium-sized hohos that I've sliced also well. For this other small dish over here, I have my salt here. In this other small plate, I have my spices. For the spices, over here, I have 1.5 spoons of paprika. This is paprika. Here, I have 1.5 spoons of beef masala. This is beef masala. Here, I have 3 cubes of royco. Hizi hapa 3. And this big one is the beef cube. The one that looks a bit dark. And over here guys, I have my grated garlic. There are 5 cloves of them, well grated. In this plate, I have my dania, also known as the coriander leaves. And in this other plate, I have my meat. This is beef, roughly 1 kg and maybe 1/4 of it over here. And in this tin, I have my cooking oil. I have my cooking oil over here. And lastly, I'm going to be using my aluminium sufuria over here and a spoon. So, let's get to the first step. The first step is unawasha tu your gas or the source of heat that you are using. And then weke mafuta kwa sufuria yako, just as I did. Aya, tungoje mafuta ihit kidogo, and then we add our meat to the sufuria. Tuipe some time for the meat to become brown. After your oil has been heated, you add your meat. Add your meat like that, alafu unakoroga so that all the meat becomes brown. Na ukishaweka unalizishanya. So keep turning them until they all become brown. So keep turning them. Keep turning, keep turning. So guys, keep turning your meat. Keep turning your meat so that it doesn't get burnt, and also so that it doesn't stick on your sufuria. You keep turning like this for about 5 minutes, and then we head to the next step. So guys, at this point, we now get to remove our meat and place it in a plate or a bowl or anywhere you can. Like that. After umetoa nyama yako, unaongeza mafuta kidogo. Hivyo. Ongeza mafuta kidogo. Alafu you add your onions, your carrots and your hoho. Weka zote pamoja. Hivyo. Kisha koroge. And let's give them some minutes so that they become soft. Remember, we just wanted our onions, our hoho, and our carrots to be a bit soft. And so at this point, I'm going to add my tomatoes. If you have tomato paste, you can use. But as for me, I'm going to use tomatoes. Remember, these are 4 whole ripe tomatoes that I've chopped. And for them to be cooked well, I'm going now to introduce my salt. Add a pinch or so, depending with the amount of meat that you're going to be preparing. Sprinkle it generously and then stir. Remember the sufuria that we used to pre-cook our beef with is the one that we are still using for our next step, which is now preparing the meal to the last step. If you want, you can use a different sufuria, but also the same one can as well do it. So let's cover our tomatoes and allow them to cook for about 5 minutes. So guys, our tomatoes are now cooked, and at this point I'll introduce my spices. Remember, your spices are also supposed to be well cooked. That's why they are supposed to be introduced at an early stage of you cooking other than the last steps. So this is our beef cube. You just crush it like that. That's the beef cube. The Royco cube. The other 2 cubes. And I have my 5 cloves of garlic that I grated, and I have my beef masala and my paprika. After adding, mix them well. Mix them well like that. Add your potatoes. Mix them well. Add your peas, also known as the minji, and then stir. If you have spices like thyme, you can add, or if you have rosemary, you can also add it. And after stirring like that, you then get to introduce your beef. You now add your beef that you initially put in a separate plate. After adding the beef, the same process. Mix them well so that the spices goes into the beef as well. Mix it well like that. And once you are certain that they have mixed well, then add some water. Add water. As for me, I have added 4 glasses of water because my meat is a lot. After adding your water, mix the ingredients well again, so that now at this point we get to taste and know whether our salt is enough or we need to add a little more of the salt. Remember, we are using our salt at this point or for our recipe so that our food tastes well. So the salt is okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover and allow the stew now to simmer or to boil so that it now gets to be well cooked. After about 20 minutes, check your meal. So ensure that nothing is stuck on the bottom of the sufuria. And also stir a bit. Stir a bit. You can as well check on the progress of your potatoes. You can see mine are not far away from being fully cooked. And so after stirring like that, we are going to cover it again for some time for it to continue simmering. Let's stir it kidogo and then cover again and give it like 20 minutes to get fully cooked, so that now we serve and enjoy our meal. So let's give it 20 more minutes. This is 20 minutes later, and as you can see, our potatoes have not been mashed. They are still whole, and our soup is a bit thick. As you can see, it's a bit thick, and all looking delicious. And so after stirring again, here we get to add our last ingredient, which is the coriander leaves. We add our coriander leaves and they'll be ready to serve after this. Mix them well as well, like that. And with this, guys, your beef stew is ready. Look at it. So guys, try it out and let me know please how it turns out to be. Try it out during your free time or during the next time that you're preparing a beef stew. Try my way and tell me how your results will be. So guys, I'm done. The food is ready, our beef stew is ready, and tutaiteremsha pamoja na kamchele. And without wasting time, I want my friends to test it. Kila mtu nimempakulia yake ya kutest. Then after this, there's going to be not the main serving for them to eat. So for the testing session, at our test, then they give us an honest review about the beef. So kindly naomba tu mkule ama ndio kutest, sababu ya kukula bado iko hapa, alafu mtuambie food iko aje na msichoche. Siwezi chocha.
Lakini the smell itself. Nafanya hata nisinja before nionje.
Kapta.
Mimi naendelea tu kwenye tamu.
Endeleeni kutest.
This
This is for testing, and soon you're going to also be having the one now, which is the main.
The meat is
I
soft.
can say something about it.
Okay.
It's what can I say? It's sweet.
Sweet. Thanks. Kanyama kama hivi.
It's delicious. Nyama yenyewe ni soft. So the spices ziko on point.
Hakuna nimeenda.
Hakuna nyemepita, salt bado iko sawa. Hakuna kitu naongeza. Naongeza tu space kwa tumbo.
Na soup iko aje?
Kwa sawa, plus the soup itself iko thick vizuri.
That's why nilitumia ile unga.
Iko thick
Coat
vizuri.
nyama nayo.
Yeah.
So if you want your soup to be a bit thick, use the unga ya ngano kidogo tu, usiweke hadi ikuwe kuna yenye inamwagika, just coat it. Yes. So guys, as they continue tasting, because they're going to be having now the food for supper, kindly like the video, comment hapo chini, tell me how have you found the procedure of cooking this beef stew to be, and also if you've not subscribed, please wafanya nini?
Kindly subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit the like button.
Yeah, hit that like button, comment hapo chini kabisa, ataka ni 10 times comment. And then don't forget to turn on those notification bells so that every time I get to post any video, you get to be notified. As you can see, my people are continuing to test. We are still testing, bado hatujaanza kukula. And so guys, until next time, because I also want to join them in the testing, I tell you bye bye. Tupatane next time. Msibanduke. Remain to be Angie's Bloom Home Cooking family. Bye bye.
Bye.